Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you a stitch tutorial for this lace like pattern. Okay, so let's begin with saying a few things about this pattern. So it's a lace pattern and it is a combination of 8 stitches. So you see this 1 2 3, then 2 chains, a single crochet over here, then skipping of 2 chains. So this all here from year to year it's one stitch pattern. So it starts from here and it ends over here, and then it's a repetition. And then for going vertically, you start with this row, and then this row, and then again the same row. So first second, so it's a repetition of these two rows for the entire pattern. This is going to be a sleeveless top, and usually when I do patterns, mostly my process is like, usually I start with a sketch or something or an idea. I don't have any set idea about how to do a pattern. I sometimes just start making something, just like in this case, these squares. I just began it and I don't know where it's going. Really, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just making squares with those. And for this, I definitely know that this one is going to be it's going to be a sleeveless top. Okay, so let's begin. As I've already begun this top, and I'm almost done till a little bit is remaining. After that, I'll start the neckline. It's going to be a crop top, and for this I'm going to just show you from here, because here I can't start it with this one again. So I'm just using this same yarn. This is a sport weight yarn, and I'm using a F hook, 3.75 mm hook. Okay, so let's begin with a few chains, which is a combination of 8 chains. So here I'm going to start with 80 chains, okay, and I'll just finish the first round of this top. I'll just show you the first round. Okay, it's done in the round, by the way. So I'm just showing you this first round over here, this one, and after that I'll begin over here, okay, in the top itself. Okay, so my 80 chains are done, and I'm going to go ahead and join the chains, join it to the beginning of the chain. So making sure that there are no twists, otherwise it will be a wobbly piece. Okay, here we go. So I always take an extra chain in the beginning. So I use that as a knot. Okay, so I have to see now which side it is, because this was from the same yarn which I was using. Okay, so I'm doing a slip stitch here, then I do chain 3, okay, chain 3, and then a DC in the next chain. Okay, then I will be doing, see over here, okay, there will be 3 chains over here, 1 2 and 3 chains. So the same way I'll be doing 3 chains, 1 2 and 3 chains, then I'll skip 2 chains and do a single crochet in the next chain. Okay, then I'll do 3 chains again, 1 2 and 3 chain, and I'll skip 2 chains in the foundation chains, okay, and I'll do 3 double crochet. So in the next 3 chains, so 1 double crochet is done, and then I'll do a second double crochet and third double crochet. Now you see, in the beginning when I began over here, I just did 2 because I did a half of this. So when I come back over here, then I'll finish 1 more double crochet over here, and then I'll join over here. Okay, so let's do the next one. So again, 3 chains, 1 2 and 3 chains, skip 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then in the next one do a single crochet. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to keep repeating this thing. 3 chains, skip 2 chains, 3 DC, 3 double crochet, skip 2 chain, 3 chains over here, and single crochet. So you keep on doing it till this end. Okay, and when you finish till here, then I'll show it to you. So I'm going to finish this. I'll just show you one more time. 3 chains, skip 2 chains, and double crochet in the next 3 chains. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now I'll finish the this round, and when I come to the very end, I'll show it to you. Okay, so I am at the end of this round now, and I finished with 3 chains. Now over here, if you see, there are 3 chains in the end, so I'm going to skip this through 2 chains, and in this one I'm going to make the last double crochet, which will finish the beginning one. Okay, the 3 double crochet over here, and in this 3 chains I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Okay, now after this is the next round. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this pattern how it's going to look. So in this round, what we do is in the chain 3 space, we do a double crochet. We do a double crochet in double crochet, and in the center double crochet, we do a front post double crochet. Okay, so and then again a double crochet in double crochet, and then in the chain 3 space we do a double crochet. Then over here we do 3 chains, and we make this gap over here, and then we repeat the same thing over here. So I'm going to show you how it is. Okay, so to begin, I'll do a chain 1. Now if I do chains over here, then the middle front post double crochet won't show nicely. So I'm doing a hack over here. I'm just doing a chain 1 and then yarn over, and I just finish a front post double crochet over here. Okay, so it looks as if there is a front post double crochet, and this chain 1 is just is used as a filler, and then I do a double crochet in the double crochet, and in this chain 3 space I do a double crochet. Okay, and then I do chain 3. Okay, then I leave this space empty, this chains and this single crochet and this chains again, and I do a double crochet over here. Then I do a double crochet, in the chain 3 space I do a double crochet. In the double crochet I do a double crochet. Okay, and in the double crochet, in the next double crochet, I do a front post double crochet. So just the beginning one is a little different. Other than that, it will all be the same over here. Okay, so over here the next double crochet, in the next double crochet, and in this chain 3 space a double crochet. Okay, see, like this. Then there will be a chain 3. Okay, a double crochet in the chain 3 space, a double crochet in the next double crochet, a front post double crochet in the center double crochet, a double crochet in the next double crochet, a double crochet in chain 3 space. So I'm going to repeat this. So this will be over the 3 double crochet, you're doing 2 double crochet over here, a front post double crochet, and 2 double crochet over here. So there are 5 double crochet, and then there is a chain 3 space in between. So I'm going to finish this till the end, and then I'll show it to you what the next round, how the next round should be done. Okay. Okay, so now we are at the end of this round, and I'm just done with this 3 chains in the end. And then what I'm doing is I'm just doing a double crochet in the chain 3 space, double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, now this, see this first double this not first double crochet, the front post double crochet, the first front post double crochet, will be doing a slip stitch in that. Okay, so it looks like a seamless front post double crochet all throughout. Okay, and for the next round what we will be doing is again chain 1. See, in the beginning I said that we will be repeating the first and the second round, but it's not right actually. It will be this second and the third round, because this round is a bit different. You do start with chain 1 and you do a front post double crochet in the front post double crochet. Okay, and then you do a double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, so there will be front post double crochet and a double crochet. Then you do 3 chains. Okay, and you do a single crochet in the chain 3 space. So it looks like this, like a hexagon, kind of a hexagon. And then 3 chains again. Then you skip this double crochet, this next double crochet, you do a double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, in the next front post double crochet you do a double front post double crochet. Okay, so it will look like this, a bump in the center. Then in the next double crochet you do a double crochet, and then you will be skipping this double crochet and you'll do 3 chains. You do a single crochet in the chain 3 space, again chain 3, skip the next double crochet, a double crochet in the next double crochet, a front post double crochet, double crochet in the next double crochet. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, so I'm going to finish this round as well, and then I will show you, actually this is complete, but then I'm going to show you this round again on top of this, and then we'll finish the video tutorial. Okay, so we are at the last 3 chains over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip this one, double crochet, do a double crochet in the next double crochet, and in this beginning, this one, the front post double crochet, I'm going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so I finished this slip stitch. Now I'll do it same again for the next round, which will be chain 1, and then I'll do a front post double crochet in the first front post double crochet. Then I will do a double crochet in double crochet, and in the chain 3 space a double crochet. So this round is same like the second round. So what happens is that this round gets repeated again and again. So you are going to repeat round 2, round 3, round 2, round 3. The first round is different because it is done in chains, but in this round what we do is we do front post double crochet in front post double crochets, and in the double crochet we do the double crochet, and then we skip some. Okay, so I'm not going to finish this one because this is same like this one, and when I come over here I will be doing a double crochet in this chain 3 space, a double crochet over here, and then I'll join with a slip stitch over here. So this finishes the stitch tutorial. So this is how it looks, and I will be releasing the pattern very soon. And this is how it looks after a few of the rows are done. These are gaps in between. It's a beautiful lace top, sleeveless top, and it's going to be released very soon. I hope you enjoy this pattern. Have a nice day. Bye bye.